Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today we're going to be going through how you can make and sell your own stickers. Now, you can sell and ship your own stickers, or you can use a print-on-demand service to fulfill those stickers easily without you having to have any excess inventory. Stickers are a really cool and affordable product that you can add to your store, so let's jump into how you can get started on creating them. Now, the first step is choosing a platform to host your store. Today I'm going to be walking you through how you can do this with Fourthwall. Fourthwall is a homepage shop and memberships platform designed for creators and is completely free to use. If you don't have an account already, you can create an account for free at fourthwall.com. It's super easy to get your shop up and running. Once you have that set up, you're going to want to brainstorm some design ideas for your stickers. You'll want to pick something that resonates with your target audience. Some people will go ahead and use their logo or just use a design that they know their audience will really like. A lot of things we see work really well are things like inside jokes and community references. Once you have an idea in mind, you can use a design software like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to design it yourself, or you can hire a graphic designer. Fourthwall also has a really great community of designers recommended by other creators that I'll link in our description for you to check out. Now, here are some quick things to keep in mind when designing your artwork. You'll want to make sure you're using a high-resolution PNG. We recommend 3000 by 3000 pixels or 300 dpi, and take in consideration the size of the sticker and avoid super small details that won't print well. Once you have designs ready, you can head over to your Fourthwall dashboard, select products, and add a new product. With Fourthwall, we have different options for stickers, so you can go with our Kiss Cut stickers or Kiss Cut sticker sheets. We also have a holographic option of our Kiss Cut stickers. If you don't know, a Kiss Cut sticker is a sticker that will be cut around the shape of your design. So the sticker will be in the shape of your artwork. With the Kiss Cut stickers, you have 3 options for sizes. On the other hand, our sticker sheet comes in one size for multiple stickers of various sizes that you can add. Plus, you get the option to customize the background of the sheet. With all that in mind, you can select either the Kiss Cut sticker or Kiss Cut sticker sheet. Then you'll just go ahead and upload your artwork. When you're happy with how it looks, you can move on and edit your product details. This will include the product name, description, and price. Once you're ready, you can make the item public, and now anyone can buy your stickers. Now, you don't have to use the sticker options we have on Fourthwall to sell your stickers on Fourthwall. You can also sell and ship items yourself. So whether you're printing and making your own stickers at home, or you want to source them yourself, you can still use Fourthwall to host them. To do this, you'll create a new product on your site like we did earlier, but instead of clicking design something new, you'll hit sell something I have. From here, you can see all the information you need to put in, and you're able to add your inventory to prevent any overselling. With Fourthwall, we have a lot of fun ways to promote your stickers. You could do this by enabling Twitch alerts and Twitch gifting, adding them to your YouTube merch shelf, or sending thank you videos to any of your supporters that purchase them. I hope this video has helped you out and given you some nice steps on how you can create your own custom stickers. Just a reminder that with Fourthwall, you can go the print-on-demand route and not have to worry about any inventory, or you can go ahead and sell and ship them yourselves. Stickers are a great item to add to your shop because they're at a lower cost to your audience, but also a really, really popular product. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more information on how to create and sell your own stickers, I'll link one of our blog articles that dives into even more detail down below. And if you're interested in trying out Fourthwall, you can sign up for free using our link in the description. Thanks for hanging out today, and I'll see you next time.